Now, this PKE meter belongs to my fellow retro gaming Ghostbuster, AA Ron, seen here shaking hands with a Canadian mutant, and he wanted me to modify it a little bit, change it so that the demo button right here instead behaves more like the equivalent button on my meter, which, well. Now, it's a fairly easy mod, assuming you know how to use a soldering iron, and I have some ideas on how to do this without using a soldering iron. Expect that video eventually, maybe. Now, one thing, it will just have this function. It won't have the click on, click off function. But, I mean, I barely use that anyway, except accidentally. Like now, yeah. Now, once again, I would like to thank Fabio for making this suggestion that led to this mod. So, grazie, Fabio. And it just occurs to me, if you're in Italy, hope you're safe, Paisano. Okay, I got the soldering iron warming up here. So, screwdriver. It just occurs to me I didn't set aside a place to put the screws. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this in the cellar. These been coming out. I think I need to replace this screwdriver. This is not working properly. That's more like it. Okay, since I was stupid enough not to have something put aside to put the screws in, put this carefully to the side. Okay, now this should just come off. Right. Now we've got to remember it is this button, the button that's on the right when you're looking at the front, so it's on the left when you're looking at the back. I guess this is the view you guys have, I don't know. Now, there's the motor here. We can take this out very carefully. Should I take it out at all? Does it come out? Okay. Make sure you don't sever these by accident. And then, can you see under there? That's this one, the blue ones here. And, oh boy. If you can see this, I'm going to very quickly melt the blue solder on here. There. That's one loose. Careful, that's the other wires. Oop. Wonder what I'm melting there. That's probably not good. You know what? Just pull it. Okay, good. Then the motor here. Let's get this back down. If we can, carefully. Get over the holes, right? Now, here, take the one off. Hope my head's not in the way. There, okay. I guess it could be either one of the motor wires, but there. This will probably need a little more solder, so here's some solder. Don't need too much here. Get some on there. Good. Then attach it to here. Come on, dry over. All right, that's on there. I'll take this one and yeah, probably needs a little more solder on here too, so a little on there. There, good. Now this. Oh, get on there. It's on there. Now, quick test here, make sure. Okay. And then I'll spare you the boredom of me putting the top back on here. But notice how easily it fits back on there. That's the main difference, I think, between the Spirit and the Rubie's PKE meters. The Spirit one, just the back goes right back on, and the Rubie's, same molds, but cheaper parts, and that actually does mean something. And, oh, wait, put this on here first, yeah. There we go. There. Now. Come on, get on there properly. Don't make Rubie's look good. How about let's turn it off. There we go. So let's test this here. Switch on here. Okay. Now, Aaron, if you're watching this, let me know if you'd like me to change the sequence of lights to be more movie accurate, like mine. Let me know. And, well, it'll probably be a while before... I'm trying to turn this off now. It may be a while before we meet again, but with a worldwide pandemic and all, so I may change the back to, again, be more movie accurate. These things, I don't know if I can find flashing LEDs at the moment, so I don't know if I could do that for you, if you even want me to. So, but hopefully my hands weren't too much in the way and you could get some idea of what I was doing. And as I said, I think I know how you can make this particular mod without the soldering iron. I need to rethink a few things because I thought the little screwdriver I had was could fit in the screw holes, and it clearly can't. I really don't know what non-builder type people would have lying around the house. I mean, I know they probably don't have a soldering iron, but I don't even know if they have the right kind of screwdrivers. So, just a coda here. So this is the screwdriver I tried to use, and you'll notice this one, the thin part's a lot longer. So how do I put this? Just assume that I'm good. Yep, it's caught the screw. Considering you can't really see that for sure, why am I? Yeah, for all you know, I could just be doing it like this. Point is, this is now going in my uniform as the field repair screwdriver. And I guess I'll put this here on the shelf behind the harmonicas. It could be my harmonica repair screwdriver. It's got different...